So we have this animation that we created in the previous tutorial, and I want to have random colors on all of these spheres, but I don't want to create a color for each one and then change the color in the materials. I want to have automatically randomized color. So how to do this? First, I'm going to click on the first object I want the color to be. I can go in shading, in the shading tab, and then create a new material. And then here in base color, I want to have random colors. So I can put the same materials in the same materials on all of the spheres. So what I'm going to do first is Shift A, and we can add a hue saturation value on this and connect the color to the color. And this is going to change the hue of the color. So the hue, it is this. So if we get green and we change, it's going to change the color like this. So have different values on the hue here. So we connect the color to the color, and here we can put a random color like here. And then on this we want to connect a node to put a random value to this. Here. Shift A, we can get an object info. And then here we have the random, and we can connect the random to the hue here. And then we can have the same material on all of the spheres. So we can get, if you have a lot of spheres, you can just click on the first one. So not the one with the material, the one you want to put the material first. Shift, click on the last one, and it's going to select everything. And then we can shift click on this one with the material. So this is the active object because it is orange here. This is more red. So now we can do Control L, link materials, and then we have all different colors on these here. So purple, yellow, green, red. And now we can also get the cup, put a new material, put a glass material. So you can put roughness at 0, you can put transmission at 1, and IOR at 1.5 here. And go back in layout, go in, we can go in render preview and go in render engine EV. And to see through the glass, if we press play in our animation here, we don't see here. And also I deselected the scene world to get the lighting from the world here. So to see inside, what you need to do is first in the EV settings, you need to put screen space reflections and then a reflection. Then click on the glass material, and in the materials settings, and put screen space reflection. Then you are going to see here. And then we have our random colors here. You can select these, Shift Z here, and you see these are not the same colors, and we duplicated, but it automatically changed the colors. And if we press play now, you have different colors, and you can still change these. So here, like this, you can still change the colors like this. If you want to get my 3D resources, so it is a list of more than 60 websites where you can download textures, characters, animations, models, HDR, sound effect, a lot of things. You can get access to my resources. You have the link in the description, and I will see you in another video. Bye.